Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, let us journey together on a comprehensive guide on using AI to add color to your vintage photos without any cost. Contrary to what you might expect, the process is surprisingly straightforward, and we will walk you through it step by step. We will be demonstrating this using the impressive Nero AI image upscaler. So, let's get started. First and foremost, ensure that you are logged in into your Nero account. This is a crucial step to ensure a smooth experience and access to all of Nero's fantastic features. For those of you who may be unsure about creating or logging into your account, don't worry. We have created an in-depth video guide called How to Get Started with Nero Image Upscaler. You can find this helpful resource in our videos, which takes you through the entire process step by step. Once you are logged in, let us move on to the exciting part, enhancing our photos. In the top left corner of your screen, you will see an option labeled Online AI, right next to Mobile AI. To harness Nero's incredible capabilities, including the ability to breathe new life into your images, simply click on Online AI. Within the Online AI section, you will find a convenient drop-down menu with various options. For today's tutorial, we are focusing on Colorize photo. Let's get started on the path to enhancing your photos. The journey begins with you uploading your selected image. After that, Nero will step in, utilizing its advanced technology to create a colorized version of your image. Keep in mind that the processing time may vary depending on your internet speed. If your connection happens to be slower, this could be due to high website traffic or your general internet service speed. And just like that, the transformation is complete. In less than 60 seconds, your once monochrome image has been imbued with a spectrum of vibrant colors. Isn't it simply breathtaking? Your old photographs, which once existed only in shades of gray, now burst forth with life and color as if they were taken just yesterday. The stark contrast between the two images, the original, devoid of color, and the transformed one, teeming with hues, is truly remarkable. It is like looking at two different worlds. This process doesn't just add color to your photos, it breathes new life into them, making each memory they hold even more vivid and real. It is like stepping into a time machine and reliving those moments all over again. So take a moment to appreciate this marvel of technology that allows us to visit our past in full color. It is truly a trip down memory lane. And if you have more photos in need of enhancement, feel free to follow the same simple process again. However, please note that as a free user, your access comes with limited credits. You can easily check the status of your remaining credits in the upper right-hand corner. So make the most of this incredible tool while you still have credits available. If you're eager to download your generated image, just click on the download button and your masterpiece will be saved to your device. Now, you can easily share your stunning creations with friends and family, showcasing your newfound image-enhancing skills. We genuinely hope this step-by-step tutorial has been a valuable resource in guiding you through this process of adding color to your old images with Nero AI Image Upscaler. If you have found this information helpful and want more fantastic content like this, as well as staying updated with the latest advancements in AI tools and techniques, we warmly invite you to subscribe to our channel. By doing so, you will always stay ahead of the curve in the exciting world of AI developments. Before we conclude, we'd like to express our heartfelt thanks for joining us today and dedicating your time to explore the fascinating realm of bringing your photos to life through the magic of AI. Always remember, the possibilities of creativity are boundless, and Nero AI Image Upscaler is your trusted companion on this artistic journey, ready to turn your visions into reality. We eagerly look forward to having you in our next video. Until then, take care.